Guy Fawkes Night 2024, and this is the only bonfire left in town. There used to be 4 or 5 of these every year, built by children, run by children. If you were like 11 to 16 years old, depending on where you lived and who your friends were at school, that was the group, that was the bonfire you were attached to. And that was how we spent our summers, like stealing tyres and wooden pallets, stealing from our bonfires, raids, fights. And that was how we spent the summer leading up to Guy Fawkes Night every year. And that's happened for decades, because the younger kids would become the older kids that would get passed down, and it went on for a long, long time. Did that happen anywhere else, or just like a small town? And then eventually they all got shut down by the police and by the council. You know, health and safety and all that. They said it was too dangerous, and you know, I suppose it was. But nobody ever really got hurt, right? But it kinda was an accident waiting to happen. So the council would come and just take all the stuff, if they found it, because we used to hide it. Then the council would come and take all the stuff, or the fire brigade would turn up the night before and absolutely soak everything. Like soak it the night before so you couldn't light it. And eventually, you know, people got bored and sick of trying, and it just kind of stopped. Eventually it was agreed that this one, which was one of the 4, would become the official one. Right? They allowed this one sort of as a compromise. So they supervised it, they put fencing up, they had a fire brigade on hand, and everything was a lot more seemingly safer, and I guess everyone's happy, right? Pretend you're looking. Why? Okay, it's like nachos. Right there. One year I got down here early. In like my oldest kid's a baby. So we want to get close. So I parked just to the left of the bonfire, right on the pavement, just beside it. And man, what a fucking idiot. I thought the car was going to melt. It was roasting. You couldn't touch the outside of the car. It was mental. Yeah, lesson learned. I was just stupid.
Be careful, starting from.
Yeah, big ones are better in my opinion. Have I had a sparkler before?
When you were really little.
How?
Yeah, it changed days, man. We used to have those all over town, small town, by the way, like population 20,000, and we had like 5 big bonfires every year. Four big ones in one sometimes, right? Am I fucking cockeyed? Yeah, see what I never noticed till later on as well, that Halloween for us was much more connected to Bonfire Night than Halloween, right? Like, we never went out and said trick or treat. That was an American thing that came later. We said penny for the guy. Penny for the guy being Guy Fawkes. So you make a little a dummy Guy Fawkes with some old clothes stuffed with newspapers and put them in a wheelbarrow or a little like, cart thing you'd made, and you'd pull it around the doors of your neighbours and family saying penny for the guy. You know, a sweets crap. We didn't want food. We wanted to extort you for hard cash, right? And then the guy, signifying Guy Fawkes, would get burned, right? So it was yeah, Guy Fawkes. Yeah, Halloween was never really. You still got dressed up. You know, but it wasn't like the commercialised thing that it is now, right? You wear a bin liner and you made just like a witch's hat or some shit like that. You didn't get like intricate costumes in shops. And it wasn't trick or treat. You didn't want sweets. It was penny for the guy. And we didn't carve out nice, soft fucking pumpkins. We didn't mark jack-o'-lanterns from pumpkins. There was no pumpkins in Scotland till 2007. It was outlawed. We had turnips. Good, hard, solid neeps. Turnips. And you'd break your fucking fingers trying to carve out hard, solid turnips. But we're Scottish, and that's what made us tough or stupid. But yeah, it was changed days, man. Things, I guess that's progress, right? Penny for the guy. Did anybody else do that? I'm very curious if it was a Scottish thing, a British thing, a Northern Scottish thing. Penny for the guy. Save collecting money on Halloween for Guy Fawkes. Let me know in the comments. Anyway, thank you for watching, and I will catch you later.